Mm. Curious King. Love is everything. Where do I begin? No, 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 no. I know. Trouble not set up like rain. But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. One shot at love. One shot at love. One shot at love. One shot at love. Trouble not set up like rain. When you're lonely, words are not here to explain. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls. They say I'm a player, not true. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls. If you're not a player, I got you.
Yo, don't get some there now.
It's a sad story, but nobody knows it but me.
You know, say, I carry me the forward for the bar. Because I'm going to do something forward, but quick and fast.
What for your place you go? Red Hills.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know, some free shop there. Because I have a little girl, I really like her still. So she in love with me and thing, but she's also that man and her pitney. You know what I mean? So I pass up the from when. But she want me, can't manage the call them man, they have them license for him, you know. And she don't want me come there, come to my house and put like a groundsman and bag of something. But I pass up there, come give her one link still. So I'm up there for about 1 week or two. Because I don't know, we can't stay one place too long. You know what I mean? So, but you know, I'll use the next car. So, yeah, man, sit down here, look on a while ago, silver one, Mark X, can borrow the one day. Keep up on the road, no man, I crash the car doing that, daddy.
Nah, crash man, everything now, man.
But remember, when we reach up there, because I don't have enough money down for me, you know. By the time we reach up the side there, we go on the 40 gun. We borrow for me, daddy. You see it?
Yeah, man, you'll get the money, man. Because watch you know, one little girl up there named TT like me after, you know, just probably can't get the money from her sort out, you see me? But, don't worry about that, man. So we'll sort that out. Don't worry about that. You see me?
Mm-hmm. You have to be careful with the young girl there now. Because when you feelings to you, you're going to use them and them hurt you. You know what I mean? They will come in for you wicked. You know what I mean? So if them can hurt you, they make somebody hurt you, so you have to be careful. But anyway, as long as I get back my money still, now, everything alright. Because you don't know. That's how the thing going on. You say a loan is a loan. You know what I mean?
Well, you know, say a real friend, though. Because enough somebody you don't do that, you know. Lend me so much money and lend me all in car and all that. Respect you for that, you know. You know, I think as soon as I start out, you know, man. You know
Come on, a bag of thing go on, man.
Yeah.
Them the vanity thing, man. You understand? Them there go on. Well, it's easy to touch road now. Touch road an idea. But I now come that side there. Till maybe a couple days from now, but something got clear up down so from reach that side there. But when I reach up, I make a know where I go on still.
Alright then, no problem.
You know, you see, yo, the key there, you know, just pull on the box in there.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you? You want a lift?
I'm okay. So, sir, why you not have on a shirt?
Now watch that, man. A river may I come from, man. Come in the car, now.
Alright.
Keisha, I tell you the truth, you know. I don't like come down and come to me here in the ghetto. I know my style that. Why you not just come up on my mansion? You big enough, you know?
I don't like up this.
Why?
I don't like doing no home appointment, you know. Because last time I took up myself, go do it, the man try bite me on my buff.
So let me ask you a question. Are every man are the same?
I never say every man I see him, I'm just a gear.
But Keisha, listen to man. Listen to man. You know me rate a long time and I ask me come do me here. I'm afraid I don't so.
You know, say if me have to go come up this say, you know, by mansion, you have to go pay me uptown price.
Money is no problem. It don't matter. It's safer for me than down here, so.
Alright,
With the part hiding right, you know. I tell you the truth.
Yo, I don't get say there. Wham.
Hello,
Yo.
sir, you can't come in on my business space. Come and mash up my business space.
No, hold on. This a personal business.
I'm a client. You can't come in on my
family
business space.
business.
Hello, listen to
You-
me, sir. You can't come in on my business space. Come and go on like you want. Damage my client.
Same way,
Yo,
Tisha.
if I saw,
Wait until him done doing here and pay me money when
Yo,
you reach
Virgin,
up on the
come out
road. You
yourself.
can't come in on my business place.
Go on.
Me there, man.
Take a podcast report.
I check me and make them and they check out the car down there so for me.
Oh.
Yeah, so I make sure I said alright, because you know, so me have to drive for one far journey to go back to Kingston. I want to make sure I say it up and running.
See husband not coming here. You alone coming here.
Me alone come down here.
What about the side you? The side you not come drive the car for you?
And me alone depend me ends, man, and I do certain things and go back.
Last time, you know, we go on a journey like that, we check it all and the whole of the something there. Burn up in my car because, you know, go so.
Yeah, man.
That's the right thing. It's funny how life work out, you know, because they buy the ring and everything for you, but you choose uptown over ghetto love, you know what I mean?
You know, say, you did want love, me did want money. And me live uptown, you the downtown, but you still boss.
Yeah, but I don't find love yet still, but I still at search, but we're glad that we are friends still. We can hold a reason now and then still. It's a pity we can't get entangled now and then because you know one is a boy again.
Anyway, you know me I look for one youth. Feel clean up the yard, you know? My yard at home. Because the youth when they work with me. Boy, you would like to hear when me catch him though.
When my teeth thing them?
No man, me catch him have sex with the maid.
So where you find him? You and him there? You know easy, you know?
Me not going at that right now.
But anyway, ready is there, right?
Yeah.
Never look a cousin now. Well, the already is right now. You up there with your girlfriend, I think so you don't want to work. You know what I mean? But you get long man, so you catch up man.
Yeah. You look good, not true?
How much years since you agree now?
3 years.
Well, I catch 4 look like you wash with golden shower and something.
No go through that man, sure.
Because I know some uptown people, you know.
Yeah.
Since you gone uptown, you know, if you left and you get to a few husband out.
About that. People too inquisitive. Where you know?
Few husband are top freak, you know.
Anyway, remember say I have my number. Remember to link up the thing for me, you know.
But yeah, more line up everything for you, man. So, what you would come go and work for you? Number that trouble that one there, you know. I'm looking cousin having in girlfriend. So I know how you don't love mullets on the staff, you know, because you know want the staff there with nobody. So yeah, I'm not getting involved tonight. I found no business that. But anyway, I'm going to line up a link for you and make him count. You can go do some work up there. Because I'm sure for what they say, come down and you will do some work. But I turn up there. If you work the right on your foot. You know what I mean? Come up there with your girlfriend.
Alright, just remember to give me a call.
Yeah, make sure, man.
Alright.
Yeah, put on weight, my girl.
Yeah, man.
So I put the seminar and I mix up. Look at that.
Them somebody in work you say, no?
miss, your problem in your business place. That is why this happened. Some personal family issues.
What kind of issue?
In breed, my sister get a youth for me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm a baby father, you know. Me end up have to take care of female youth, you know, because him breed for my sister, him go around, I saw him do it, you know. Him go around and I get to and breed up all that and you know, take care of nobody, you know.
Oh,
Right now, for me money, I have to do everything, you know. This a man I want dirty man, you know.
So that you want to carry me by a mansion go do with me, you know, want to come down and get up.
Keisha, how you fi say that? I want youth me get. What kind of breed look?
Yo, either you take care of youth or you have me to deal with.
You know, like them sitting here.
Or courthouse, one of them. I hear, you know what, I call my sister.
I'm not turned down for the nice, no business place, you know, man.
Hello.
Yo, what going on?
What about me king?
Yo, what going on now? You know, so one lady will go uptown, place right there. Like, in losing work, I work a gun, I find work or whatever. Some no saying that them please if I can't do yard na work and then type of work and look up something. You want to maintain a yard case, yeah, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, one brown lady. You know, so I'm going to do now. Where can I work now?
No, I'm not right now. Free right now.
Alright, so I'm going live. time, the time they are available, you know, so just take your word, man. She pay me, and I talk about money, and just deal with it, so.
So you don't have a lady number? Couldn't contact
What
she?
you do, man? The lady go call you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so, and direct you. So, I'll call her back and make you know if you're available. So, just call you, because you're ready for the work, and she just, you're not ready to link up on the star work, alright?
Alright, King.
So, how your woman, you good? She good?
Boy, I be a problem, Maggie, me, you know. Be a problem.
Just like, you know, work, when the work come in and money in a process, you know, have much problem in a relationship, you know. You understand?
True.
Yeah, man, so get to work and just stay with a lady, one good lady, you know what I mean? I used to my ex, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, you know, say, I your family, you know what I mean? An ex, in-law, you know what I mean? So, of course, just go and take care of, you know, is it?
Alright, my family. I say all pray, man.
That's your word, burn it up.
Burn it down.
Sis. Yeah, man, me see boy now down a zinc lane. Yeah, man.
So where money there? Hello, come here.
No, come up a big house, up there, money there, enough up there.
So my money I go.
Up a big house.
Back on my friend.
Never tell me father say, me did see you on the fence with a man.
Hey boy AJ, come here, what you going beat you?
We go tell the father, say, you good?
Mm-hmm.
We good, man. You know, we love your friend. You understand?
Yeah.
So the father come, you know, tell the father, say, your friend come here.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
AJ, what are you doing outside?
Hmm?
What are you doing outside?
Mm-hmm.
Go on back inside.
You
When
come
we-
to spy
we go-
on mommy.
We go buy something for you, me and come here next time, here?
Yeah, that type part where we can go inside.
Alright, so later, here?
Yeah.
Alright, in general. Boy, I get digging now. You good do for me? What do you?
You're not go there to keep me company. You go away. At time now for we stop the things out of the world. I have my house, you know.
Yeah, it better me send me out to start chop grass more than in the house because when I go send me in the house, I do.
Paint the wall. Or you come for repair the pipe them.
So me a plumber.
Mm-hmm.
Rough. But we consider that, but right now, that's one thing to deal with. But
Go on here, yeah. The long time you want to go. Every time you come here with a one thing. Can you just go back? Climb back my fence and go on in your yard.
Hello? Oh, what going Denzel? But I run on my yard, man. Alright, tell the taxi man say he can left me on a plantation heights run, sir. Alright. Candy. Away there, they home. You know, say I pass me, just a pass and I say I can look for you. Alright, me there gate a walk and come up.
So when you say make you can link me? Because some good when something wrong, you know, or when you want something, you know, you can link me. What happened?
No, man. No, I'm a friend and I just want to come look for you. No, can't miss you.
Yes, me and a friend. But then the little smile on your face and something and you look one kind of generalish way. I don't like, you know, when something wrong or you need something from me, you can check me. Tell me what problem, and me understand. You have to come straight.
Well, you know, so I have a little friend. I come past you and I know say you live near, so I just stop by over here, so come look for you. That's a long time I don't see you.
Alright then, that's true. Because a long time you don't come link me, you know. Yeah, man, no one again you can pass through. A good while you don't come check me.
Alright, you know, say true you talk. And we don't live so a long time. I don't come look for you and thing. So I just have to pass through.
You know, say taxi driver just left me off up there, so I walk come down in one lane. I have to know where I go. But I see one house up there, so over upon the hill. Yeah, me there down at the gate. Alright. One grey gate. Alright, yeah, me down there. Alright. Just walk come up.
You know, so Candy, the view nice, you know. How that I could have stay for a few weekend.
Boy, I'm in a this sleepover thing, you know, I'm not too in it. Especially when a woman is. If I did one man, he wouldn't look so bad. You know? Yeah, man.
Candy, you know me and your friend, man. Stop going so.
Me I link you from long. But anyway, so who that they come down there, so?
Hey, I'm a friend, man. Come, man, come.
He look bossy doing. He have money?
Boy, I don't know.
You
But
need
I like him.
You did lock the door when you come in a little while? You invite over a friend. Go and go meet him.
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Candy, Denzel, Candy.
Nice meeting you.
Nah, man.
I go excuse you a little bit and I couldn't get fit out. I have something to do around this way here.
Alright.
Alright then.
So where you going?
Nothing my day here, you know.
Never know see how so far you live. You have all butler up here with a nice piece of view. You see whole of Kingston, downtown to Portmore to Spanish Town. You see everything in one picture.
Well, yeah. Well, right now we live right there, so place nice, everything nice.
Yeah, man, the place nice with you, man. Nice.
All right now, we all approve to buy all over this right now. Next time when I come, I probably over there come, not up here, so.
Yeah, man, you have money, man. Nice piece of house you have up already, yeah. Friend like you, if you have, you know.
If you have a friend like you, you know.
But a nice view over there, someone. Kingston Harbour, that there?
Yeah, a nice place, you know.
Man, a Kingston Harbour, that there? A nice view.
Yeah, a nice little view.
Kingston Harbour look nice right as the door.
But they're nice, you know.
Boy, garbage look good from for. A river than dump that there?
Yeah. All of them, you know. So where you walk also?
You know, in our fridge can't drink.
Yeah, I have little juice. So want little juice?
Get some water.
Alright.
This tastes wet. Yo. Where you going? So how much in the feet? Alright, I'll see what I can do and see if I can hook some. For one PlayStation 5, 100,000, that kind of deep, man. Your mother not buy a TV in TV. No, sir, but tell me to do better than that, man. I'll try to hook up the money. Alright. Yeah, man. Yo, just tell me if you do better than that. Tell me see me. Alright. know, say I cut me, I can cut you now. That's something to deal with.
Already?
Yeah, man, we just come look for you, man. See what I go on.
Alright, I'm follow you at the door.
So, thank you for having me. So, when we reach down, make a note when we reach down.
Alright, so you can't give me one hug.
No, man, the next time I see you, man.
So you
Make
go
you a
on,
hug.
man. Alright.
Titi, you think me need to watch it two on through the window? Only because you don't see me, I watch it two on. You know, sister, that the boy don't want you.
Girl, what you know about? I find the man of my life, you know. Me in love, me not ask.
In love?
Yeah.
Really?
That you don't even know.
You know what is love?
Well, yeah.
You see that the boy they love you? You don't have no sense. How are your mother? If your mother not teach you no sense, me sorry for no condition, but me not have no shampoo. Me see the boy come down there so. Yes, he look nice. But when he come to my door, me can't see that boy they don't want you. Me don't know how you believe and have in your head. Say that the boy they want you. You know, say boy original. And he look lie.
No, you tell me the truth, but I like him and everything. You see me? So, I can go down here.
Mommy, alright?
Yes, me alright.
You can't give me a game of your phone?
No, where's your phone?
You right there, so.
Go and play on your phone. AJ, go look at who there at the door.
Mommy, I think you see Pinky.
What one friends? You come back already?
There, girl. There. Remember the boy I tell about?
Yeah.
You know, so I fall in love with the boy.
You fall in love with the man? A full time now for you find one man still.
So, what you do later?
I mean, I'm a son there now.
You want to look at party and go on down the road?
No, sir. But no there, so I have to stay and take care of my. I'm my priority that.
Alright, me can go down here. Later.
Later. AJ, you want something to eat?
Mom, Casey.
Hello?
Where you going in?
I'm there now.
How are you there?
I'm there home. You can't come look for me.
How are you today?
Me alone.
So what you want me to do for you now?
Me have something one more you help me with.
That's how.
Come over here, see now.
So you can't tell me on your phone?
No, you have to come over. I want to show you in person.
I'll be your things that go on there. So far out still.
Alright.
What's up? Why are you taking so long to answer the phone? I've been calling you for hours now. And no reply. What's the problem? I don't understand. I even sent you a message. I sent you a nude message. The nude picture that you're always asking me about. Come on, why didn't you open it? You did not read the message, right? Okay. You should have. And you're so far away. We are not corresponding. Seems like something went wrong. Anyway, I have something to say to you. From the other day I noticed you're not performing properly. No, you're not doing your work. You understand? You leave me all alone, unconcerned, Right now I'm feeling insecure, wondering if you're doing something that I'm not doing. No, come on. Come on, babe. Come with something else. Don't tell me that. What, you see something else? And you don't want to tell me about it? Okay then. You're not doing your work? We need to talk when you get home. You're so far away, you're not calling me nothing. It's like you're not showing any interest. Anyway, we need to talk whenever time you come. Anytime you turn up, we're gonna have a talk. Okay? Alright, bye-bye. Talk to you soon. Yard boy! Come down out of the tree, man. We need to talk to you. Come round. Yes, come up here. I have something interesting to talk to you about, I need to see you right now. Don't stay too long, I might drop out of the tree. Yeah, man, take your time and come down. But me, I wait for you. Robert, are you me talking now? Come around here, so I need to talk to you. Yeah, man, hurry up, run come. Robert! Run come here, man. You take too long.
Yes, Miss Candy.
You take too long to come. Look how long me
So come here, come, I want to come more than I can come.
Well, me even want to come better than even run come. Me need you to come, you hear? Because you have to go come for me. Listen now. You don't have to say Miss Candy no more. You can say Candy. Yes. Because me have a work to give you. So you have a yard work and a house work to do. You understand? Because you need to take over somebody's job. I not mention and tell you how. But it look like you need 2 jobs instead of 1. You will get more pay. So you know something like it though? Yes.
So
I admire you.
So can you tell me that?
No man, nothing can done before the time, God knows something like it. And me have to go in this up tonight. I'm a big old pasta pedic baby.
Well, one gonna pasta pedic.
Because somebody who fit do their job not doing it properly, so me need me go in this right now. You have any condom?
Yeah, man.
You sure? What kind of condom
No,
you have?
right now me have
Make
long
sure.
love.
Me no want no long love.
Rough rider, me on, rough rider, me on.
No, long love, me can't bother with that.
Come in.
Watch out.
Stop going some man. I first say I see woman.
Put on some clothes, man. You call me in a place and you didn't even have on no clothes.
More you take up something for me over here, son.
What over there, sir?
Come look now.
Yo, watch out right now. Just call someone to put on.
Alright then. Hello. What one? We not liking it.
You know, so me I just friend and you just try cross the boundary.
No boundary not cross right this so.
But when I do this to them and we expect me a friend, man, I know how much of a friendship cause who me go can get money from the bar. If me have to do nothing here now, you mash up the friendship cause you know say me say them mash up relationship and friendship.
No friendship not mash up.
You know, the text mash up relationship and friendship, and me and friend, and me love a friendship for it, man. You see me? We're just friend, man.
So a friend you want me as?
Because since me and friend, my only little money source me have,
So what you mean by? So we can then things and still be friends?
It's not going to work out, man. That's not going to work out. 3 type of person me and this, no, so it's not going to work out.
So hold on then, I'm not attractive, I not look good, I not shape nice. I not look like one of the other girl them we have.
I never said no, I never said no, but we're just friends. We're just friends. Just make it stay there, so man. Nobody to try overdo it, man. You don't like me as a friend?
Well, no.
Why? You don't like for going a while ago, and we really don't want much of a friendship of me and having a car. You see me? So better we just go on normal.
Alright.
Anyway, somebody are calling for the phone right now. We can't talk too long. Here, my credits are done.
Alright.
My credits are done. Yeah, me get back to you.
Yeah.
look around for you because I know you must hungry by now.
So you look both for me, baby.
Food, I want sandwich.
Yes, you know, I'm not too love rice. A dumpling is a dumpling man in a way. One second. One sandwich. Aki night or vegetable or chicken?
Chicken.
So you drink them for hips? I look water.
I never have any money for buying them.
I know I'm all praise still. I just go and roll out. Cause I work there for enough. Work some money and come home. Can't wait. Alright.
Babe, come here.
Come forward. What are you saying?
What time are you done work?
It's about 5 o'clock.
How do you want me to go somewhere?
Which part of that?
I don't know. Today name Friday. I want me to go.
Since I want me to go so then go do peace in the garden then.
No, babe.
What make?
Why
you not comfortable with this?
No, when you come home.
Come home. She not even know. Anything, wait till you come home then.
Later.
Yeah, TT, where you going? You know, say, I want me in one situation and I don't want to come link you for your money for borrow. Alright then, no problem.
Girl, you know, so I'm hungry and I cook no food.
No, sir. I wake up tired. I don't cook today at all.
Well, and I really that me come over here for my dad. I want to cook dress so I like at downtown. And I wonder if you could have lend me money so I can buy it.
How much dress cost?
Okay, 40 grand.
When I forget them the money.
Girl, stop going so girl. You have money.
I don't have no money up here.
Girl, I want them nice dress then, girl. You go party well nice, hot. Yeah. One of them look nice, sexy battery, that's something there. Yeah. Well, beach. Anyway.
Honestly speaking,
You just can't
you know,
let
say me a friend a long time and me I tell you the truth. You don't believe me?
Alright then, I know who to call. Hello.
Hey, what?
Nothing. You the home?
Yeah, man. You good?
You cook?
I got that to you know. So, how are you calling me sometime like this now, baby?
You know, say, I come link my friend and they attack and I say I'm hungry, but she not cook. I mean, I want...
You know, to be a friend long time, man. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Come over, man, go eat.
Alright then.
Yeah, come with you.
Yeah, me a come, man.
Alright, my friend. No problem, man. Come over, man. You're welcome at any time.
Alright, me a forward.
Alright. Yeah, wait, you know.
Alright.
So let me ask you something. Yeah, Michael there?
No. I'm not there, no. I'm a friend.
So every time you call him, just ever pick up him phone, him ready, so?
I don't know.
Feel like you and Michael a link, you know, now do something, you know.
No, sir. I don't think so. I'll see if Michael don't cook. Because Michael can't get this somebody and none. It's alright, man. Welcome, my friend Michael.
Yeah, I know.
So food ready now?
Yeah, man, long time.
So cheer up, man. Now.
No problem. Everything good though?
Yeah, man, I'm there.
Oh, your friend?
Yeah, right, you know.
How much dumpling? Because I dumpling, you know.
I can give me 2 of them.
think you don't ask about 10.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Anyways, I know food I really want, you know.
So where you really come from?
Something I sit down to I really like and I ask if you can give me money. I like it.
Every time you lend your money, me don't see you back. Until you want again.
Michael, you know me a friend. You know you will get back the money.
No worry. How much you want?
You know say $40,000 for your dress.
40 grand? I don't want to know what kind of dress that have gold in it.
And one of them look nice dress you can wear a party.
Alright, the thing you say now, you are buying and me are buying, me are lending the money. That's all me know about.
Alright,
Since when the day come, me can get back the money.
Alright, I can put 2 grand on if you pay me fair go down there.
Alright, it's no problem, but I don't have cash. Tell you what, I'm gonna give you my card. And make sure it's only 42,000 you draw for it. Because you see, as you draw it, the message is going to come to my phone. That's a MasterCard.
Alright, I'm fine. Later. Bring back tomorrow. Yes.
As the day clock.
Hello? Denzel? Yeah, I just draw the money a while ago, so you can come for it, yeah? Alright. Me in a house. Yeah. Come. Mama count it first. Lend me a lend this, you know.
Relax, man. Just relax, man. Yeah, man, I respect, man. I know anything, no, man. That's why me and friend, you know.
You stay the both friend.
Yeah,
lend me. So when me I get you back.
You so get it back, man. As soon as me get a piece of money for come on the line. As soon as you drop, I can get it back.
Alright. Later.
Yeah, so.
Titi. What one girl from what you mean see? From the gear the card mean see. You are holding me. Alright, you are now. I'm glad you come still, you know, so I'll prepare some food. Come on, your chicken in the fridge, don't worry about that. I'll prepare some food right now, so. Love here. One for me see what I love, so. I'll cook right now. What Bridget?
There, man, what go on? What Bridget?
What are you, man?
Yeah, no, rain and fall out there, no.
So you're going to walk me, no?
Yeah.
So what?
Yeah, I like what place to kill him.
Where's that one, you know? A long time no see.
Yeah, no. There, no, so that is.
You know, so we are planning to sell the house and still have water to go.
That's a good idea still, you know, because if you sell a house and go and niggle still, you know, and buy a next house, you know, you can make a good life, you know. You see me? But here, and I really that me come talk to you about still, you know.
Oh, yeah.
TT give me a card for you.
What you ask it to me?
How you mean? See it here?
Can't believe this, man. And TT just tell me say I can't come here and put on chicken pan fire.
You can't bother cook no heap of food, you know. Because me hear she tell her friend say she only near me out, and when she come up for your big house, she only eat and get fat, and go take your money. You hear me I say? Me know them call girl, Yamek. Boy, you come like a coke head out.
TT nah do that. Listen, me and TT a friend long time.
Friend.
Me a tell her that. Me no see where TT go. He might send her back with the car to surprise me. If he make it look like he now come.
Yeah, your own big man still in as what you say. You see me? Would I eat some of my food still in? But to me not to eat chicken, you see me? But I check your back a little more still, you see me?
Alright, that's it.
Yeah, man. Just call and you know what one.
TT. Oh, you send my friend with the car. So if you don't feel good, if you don't call me, I'm there to cook for you. So you don't feel to come up here, not you?
No.
You all just extra cash. Why?
When you go,
When what?
when me go machine, the Uber.
Oh, me see an extra cash jar. How comes?
Because the mom will charge the money, the Uber will carry me, must wait for me, so I give more extra cash and I buy one slip. But you want slippers so I like, I'm going to buy it.
No worry your head. Everything cool, man. Me soon call you back, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Take care. I know why I'm going to you. Yours, man. What's it take me easy for you? Alright. True, you're my only friend still, and you always come keep me company and we cook and we eat and you come borrow money and things. This time, you don't have to borrow no money because you know, I'll give you 40 grand because I want to take care of your house. So, we take out some papers and want to sign up a full name and everything. So, you're coming on there, you know. Yeah, man. Me and my baby mother and the kids are going to leave. So you're a perfect friend. You know, good friend. Yeah. So wait a second, we can send my friend with the paper, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll send my friend with the paper and you just deal with it for me, isn't it?
Alright.
Alright, my friend.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, you hear my friend?
Yeah, later.
Alright. A good friend, yeah, look.
Man, I love how you see me and across the road like you don't see me. You never see me.
Make you come at me right now.
You need to tell your friends say him need to mind him picnic because if I never you, we would be together. And you are one who set me up. So you need to sort it out. And you see me a pass and you across the road like you don't see me, brother.
Me I go about my ways. I say me give you a man. And you if you know how to take care of your man. And your man to take care of you. And further on, me tell him to take care of me out. You see me? Me tell him to take care of me out. So me don't know why you come at me today for.
Me really hot for you, you know. Me hot for you. You know how long me want to see you and that you know me want to see you. You come across the road and rub me, want to rub you out. You say you talk to him. If you didn't talk to him, he would have behaved different. He would have behaved different. Me not ask you. Me hot for you. Long time I want to see you.
Me know where you come make up nice for me for. And me breed you know. And me breed you.
You what me I go tell you say. You see, since that him not take care of the youth, you are going to take care of him because you start up this relationship here. You are going to mind the picnic and mind me too.
Find Michael yourself.
Touch him now. You go on. How do mind a car bounce down the road? Dirty the Rasta man. Go away. Cranny like that.
What, Papa? There, baby, yo, my life then soup there, no, fully military now. You see me?
When I have money, I say I have a jet, you see me?
Sure, man. Come like you plan for running at some bush today, you know.
No really, you know, some day I go and chill and say, boy, I want to call over one girl, you see me? Come link me.
I normal pre that still, you know, good for you have a girl, you know, but here one. My pass a baby mother down there, so I and I look for you.
Oh yeah. So what on she know exactly where I live.
I not tell her where you live, you know.
That's why I know it's a long time you're a friend, you know. Trust me. Cause you see, right now, for me baby mother into nagging. I she carry still, so she must know. Cause I never sign up for that.
You love too much young girl. If you look a nice big woman, you see me, because I see young girl, they only want and take from you. You see me? I mean, I want a cokehead friend you.
Funny girl here say me turn rich man now. The girl just have, I mean, a big house. He just have look for me. I mean, give the girl money over how much years now. 50,000. You know, so some give the girl the money. 50,000, 40,000. For them do whatever do. And they don't want to invest in nothing more than a year. Wig. What sense? Me don't see that. Eh? Look at the natural nails, so they just can just rub, look alright. They ain't gonna put on long nails. They don't respect themselves. Too much makeup. Every night they kiss. When they get up in the morning, pitchy patchy car, appear makeup, tick up in them face.
Yo, hear me I say though. On a serious level though. I should me have laugh all a while ago. The way your baby mother go on a while ago. Eh? You see that soldier clothes we're in? You must have planned to sleep in a bush tonight, cause yo, iron, you know.
You know what?
Iron, you know.
Tell you the truth, one come over there, you know. I mean, cook curry chicken. We say, I don't left out of my toilet for 2 days. And in them we eat and sleep. Look up, look down before you come out. Because you see, me no want she know me. She call me, you know. I don't answer the phone. Every minute me lift up me see in there. Me just put it back down. Because that woman nagging. Me don't know if I show she young, she don't understand like the amount of money every day and go and check me give money. Alright, me and her make a deal. Every day she come and me give her 40 grand, right? You know how the baby feel good. The girl said, let go baby. So I mean let go baby.
So here me I say, Papa. All of them the 40 and 50 and 60 and 80 and 150,000 where I give your baby mother. And where you get all of them the money they give all the young girl them. And that's why them are rush you know. And that's why them are rush you so because you waste money you.
You know, so between me and you, I know since she have the baby, me give her so much money, you know. And before the baby born, me give her all of them the big money there. You see, from the baby born, me top give her money. Because she will learn sense with the money when me give before. Instead of maintain that they put there, instead of have a business. All they want to do is take from men.
I want to tell you doing a Papa. Me and you are virgin, you know. But if you mind that you're J boy, but you are. Me never there in the youth because I don't want she will come and come see me, you know.
Me never see you.
What me say never do?
Me never see you.
What me say Papa?
Me never see you.
If I say me and your woman say nothing, you never see me in the youth.
Me never see you. If you ever have me see one rasta come here. Me not see that rasta.
Yeah, you are virgin.
And you mean? Safe travel rasta.
Yes, General.
Bye.
So tell me something, where the lame boy there now?
You know, say babes, I'm gonna work, you know, and I'm not come back for now.
You serious?
Yeah.
Where you up now? Meet me up at Top Hill. You know, around the corner up there.
You mean up at Top Road?
Up at Top Road there. Alright, and
Yeah,
then,
man.
you know, later. So, alright?
Yeah, I don't know say I saw you rolling now. Give me a hug now?
Yes, man, of
Yeah,
course.
you're going like you never want to hug me up, so come on.
Yes.
Let's follow you outside.
Yes.
Alright.
Come in. See.
But place nice though. What go on, brother?
One. Tell her.
What kind of Papa, what kind of tax paper that you sign?
It's not a tax paper. Listen up.
Yeah.
Remember I said, TT style, right?
True, me hear, me know you know what I go on, you know.
And me and your friend, so me will make you know what I go on. You see that paper, you know?
Yeah.
Me will give you carry, go give her to sign. So she sign it. I tell her $500,000 you get. Remember, you know?
What you mean, Papa? You can want some money, $500,000?
Remember, say you say cocoa head, you know? No.
Make sure that you met girl, you know, you get that money there, you know.
No, which part? She and the yamen that will give me the money, but she's not going to be no more yamen.
Okay.
And she'll call me.
Make she go and call, man. Tell me what you tell me.
She not going to be no more yamen. She'll be potato head.
Potato head. You know, say you think right.
Yeah.
You think right.
$500,000.
Yeah, make she get it still, you know.
Right in my way.
Alright. Later, you hear me?
Alright, my boss. No more yamen.
Dirty dog. You know me call you?
Don't do that again.
You know me call you?
Don't come at me yard and come at me window and come call me a dirty dog.
What you mean by
You
that?
never know see me a dog before you lay down with me.
You know me call you phone?
You are call me dirty dog. You never know see me a dog before you lay down with me.
Me have a reason for call you dirty dog.
What kind of reason you have to call me dirty dog?
I have a reason for calling dirty dog because you have a pitney and nah mind it, brother. You need to mind your pitney and act like a man youth. Mind your pitney youth. That me a talk about me alone enough see there chicken you cut up. Your pitney not eat chicken. She not eat chicken in a youth. You need to mind your pitney. You gotta ask me why me a call it dirty dog. Me have a reason why me a call it dirty dog.
You are saying me now my pitney. Yeah, wish yes, me a dirty dog for that. But understand this, we were doing a business. Every time you come check me, give you a 40 grand, a 50 grand, a 60 grand. Where you doing all of them money there? You never expect me to let something in your belly if you take care of them. Because all them money when me give you, if you did invest it, don't depend on me alone to me have money.
All of them money there where you give me, 40 grand and all of them something they talk about. A savings them go to. A 2 year now, you not give me nothing for your pitney. It a go done. It a go done. 2 years you not give me nothing for the youth. You don't even know the youth. You not even know the youth. You don't know how the youth are eat.
Calm yourself. I'll give you 300,000. You see how quick you second up? But guess what? We're going to the house, go sign the check. And you know it's a 3 hours again like normally.
You not catch me with money. You catch me with it one time, you not catch me with it again.
Come on.
No, you can't catch me with money. If you give me money for the youth, you give me money for the youth, I'm going.
And my youth, I'm saying favor me. So, you are. May I go for your money? Oh, God. Them sitting here, you know? Them something they love. But no worry.
I don't love it, no. I pick the love it.
2-year-old can't love money. Go on. Now come back and say no.
Now come back until more money again.
What go on, boss?
There now. So I say I go on.
Yeah, man, the work carry on, man. Company.
Really?
Yeah, man. Just sign it. Yeah, man, I can forget how to chat to you, you know.
What a damn fool. And that's why them people are school. You could have signed out your whole life. Alright, you are. Buy yourself a drink.
Alright, then.
I remember some promises something later, so look out for it. I remember some nigga.
You know, promise me and when I come for it, I tell me no foolishness, you know. Me I pray if I want to and the girl them a move, you know.
You know the money is no problem.
Yeah, me know, but you have to know. Take care of yourself. Still.
Alright. Alright.
Robert?
Yeah.
I need you to clean up the place. Take up all of the garbage and everything. See that plastic bag over there? You need to take it up. Put them into the bin. Which part the bag there when me give you? In the kitchen, go round, they go take it up. And make sure you clean up the place properly. All them leaves and everything over there, you need to take them up. You're looking sexy. It's true. You look better without the shirt upon you. So I need you to take your shirt off. Anyway, Robert, hurry up and clean up the place. Clean it up nice and good. And come to me. Right in there. Hello?
Hello, Candy?
Yes, Candy speaking.
You know, something I look trouble right now.
Trouble? You're always in a trouble. I'm tired to talk to you. Why problem now?
Alright, my car, when I think I did my friend, send my paper come from my sign it, and him trick me and I sign the paper and now I owe $2 million.
$2 million?
Yeah, and police look for me, so me that want that. He said, could I lend me money or make me come go and stay up by your yard?
Girl, you know some me travel. Me not dey home right now. Me can give one advice, you know, but me not have them the breed of money there. Me sorry for hear about it. Me wish me could have helped you, but I do not have it. So, girl, me tired to talk to you. How comes you make man trick you like that? I saw you easily if you take pill?
Me that trick the boy first.
Yeah, you did that trick him first. Okay.
Yeah, like somebody tell him and then him just send the paper come tell me say he must go away and he must go leave him out and one bag of stuff.
So let me ask you a question. You never hear say what goes around come back around. You are trick him and you did expect say you just went go get with so with it. Me sorry for hear but you put yourself to let me correct myself. Me sorry for hear but you put yourself in a trouble. You have to go take yourself out there because I'm not in the country. I travel. I mean I know how you and him are go work it out.
Girl, me have to cook for my man, you know, because I don't want no other girl to cook for him. Right up there, me I go now, because I'm most hungry by me.
Miss, you know, so I know why your husband come and catch me.
Do not call me miss, you can say Candy.
Alright, Candy, I know so I know why your husband come and catch me though.
Don't worry about that. Leave my husband business to me. Just take it off and give me a nice massage.
Alright, I will do it for you. What's that?
Then I want to go on yourself. No work, I say you come for oh yeah, massage your basket.
Babes, you know, so I work, and the boss me to do this, so I can put a pay in him.
Left that to our man. I work, you come work. Yard now work. You have my man up here massage your foot when me there my yard, me now get massage foot. You have him up here, work him out. I watch him poor and him have nothing. Eh? True you rich? And true him a work for you? Him a your slave. Him not supposed to massage my foot. And them here for massage. Them stop me right there so.
The same door where you walk through come in here, you need to go through it back. And you are fired.
Yo, wait, yo, you have to pay more of my money, you know. You understand? Because massage work, you know how much money that I 8,000 or what I work that. And me I got labor about for you right now. I need more of my money. Pay me right now. Come out here, please. Pay me
You
up.
remember all those times that I stopped you and this little idiot from dying from hunger? Listen now, you're fired. And I did not hire you to do any massage. I hire you to do gardener work. So I'll pay you for the days that you have done. Get out of my house. Take your little wizard and witch in one and go through the door. Get out. You need to get the hell out of my house.
Babes, come on, babes.
Take your witch and get out.
I can't go there.
Out.
After hold on.
Curious King. Love is everything. Where do I begin? No, 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 no. I know. Trouble not set up like rain, But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. One shot at love, one shot at love, one shot at love, one shot at love. Trouble no set up like rain. When you're lonely, words are not here to explain. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls. Curious King. Love is everything. Where do I begin? No, 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 no. I know. Trouble not set up like rain. But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. One shot at love, one shot at love, one shot at love, one shot at love. Trouble no set up like rain. When you're lonely, words are not here to explain. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls. They say I'm a player, not true. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls. If you're not a player, I got you. It's a sad story, but nobody knows it but me. I nearly lose my life. Girl, what I thought could have been my wife, but trouble no set up like rain. But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. One shot at love, one shot at love. Trouble no set up like rain. But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. Oh, one shot at love, one shot at love. Could it be you that I'm looking for? Oh yes, I'm looking for someone to love, someone to share my life with. Time is wasting. Time is wasting. Oh, but I've been around the world with a lot of girls. They say I'm a player, not true. Oh yes, I've been around the world, met love to a lot of girls. I'm not a player, I got you. People are not always what it seems to be.
Alright, thank you guys for watching as always. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. And remember to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Alright, so we just finished this movie, and if you like it, remember to share it up on your social media platform. Also on your WhatsApp, so people can know more about the channel. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers, so anytime now we can apply for the plaque and present it to you guys. Alright, and also want to make mention of all the official persons who have signed up for membership. Thank you very much, guys, for showing support in what we're doing. And for those who have not signed up yet, if you're in Jamaica, I know it's difficult for you to sign up, so just tell your family members in the States, Canada and England to sign up to Richard Brown Films to support the movement, because it's going strong and we are heading to 1 million subscribers. Alright, thank you to all the persons who have officially sent something to us in the past and are going to send something to us in the future. Thank you very much for your support, and just continue to support the movement as we go along and as we go. Big up on yourself.
Continue to do the right thing. Show support. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, the voice of prayers, live and living colors. So remember, we have put together the one shot for love. One shot at love, right? So we're gonna need 8 contestants, can be worldwide, island wide, no matter where you come from. You just DM Richard Brown Films if you want to get involved. We will make it official commercial, but this is just a reminder. So look out for it. One shot at love.
Yeah man, 8 females.
8 females. 8 females. 8 females. And we decide, so we're going to put the age up a little bit from 20 to 40. So welcome to the party. Alright. So thank you for watching that movie, and big up all our supporter, big up all our sponsor, big up all the producer, big up everybody out there who support the movements, Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood, the whole network, burn down to the ground, big up on yourself. Yo, Damien, big up yourself, burn it down to the ground, big up,
yeah, man, big up,
Franco,
get well soon.
Get well, my general, burn it down to the ground, so blessed day to everybody, to that one Sunday, keep on watching.